Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we're looking at these DuraTherm liners for the walls of the Ford Transit Connect. This is the long wheelbase. You can see here, this product is right up against this Ford Transit Connect wall. It's got an insulated liner on the back of it, or I'm sorry, the back of the liner is insulated and the front is this durable plastic to keep your walls from getting dinged up or scraped up from anything you're putting into your cargo van. What's nice too about these liners is we do have a lot of people asking on if they can fit in extra insulation behind them. And if you check out that install video, you can see there's plenty of gap behind this to be able to extra insulate if that's a need that you have for your cargo van. But these liners are about close to a ½ inch thick. They provide a really solid R value of 4 to 6 to help keep the inside of your van not only better temperature controlled, but also reduce road noise quite significantly. These are installed using these push button rivets securely attached to certain points in the van. Legends even has cutouts for things like an extra light if you have it there. If you don't have the light, you can actually keep that piece right in place and keep the wall even that much more protected. Now you can see here that they come, the one that we have right here is a textured gray. They also come in a white, more of a flat surface. For this Ford Transit Connect, we have the liners on both sides of the walls here. You can see this side, we left that cover in because we did not have a light on this side of our van. Now you can get wall liners like this for your Ford Transit Connect or any cargo van that you have at upfitsupply.com. We recommend checking those out and finding what works best for you to get your van work ready.